Boy, if you don't get...
Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. Today we will be making...
We here for a food bang, y'all. Not food bang.
See?
This took too long.
I know.
It took way too long.
But we're going to do a mukbang today. And we're going to do... What is it called?
It don't need to be all that professional.
We're trying
out meatless chicken tenders today. So Mama Bear gonna have that one. Publix, our local Publix, they have really, really good deals. Y'all know Mom thinks it's expensive, but they have pretty good deals. So this week on the deal, you can get
buy one get one
free on Garden. That's how everybody else been saying.
Yeah.
Gardein. Products in general.
Mm-hmm.
So I grabbed chicken tenders because we eat chicken tenders a lot. Like,
yeah.
we love them. So yeah, they're supposed to be meatless, and they had 2 flavors. So I think that's like technically regular.
Yeah, I have regular crispy tenders, and this one is 7 grams of protein.
And then mine is the Nashville hot chicken tenders. The only not the only, but the main difference between the two is this one is flavored, that one isn't. So this one has a whole lot more calories than that one. This one has double the calories.
Yeah.
But yeah. So an idea of what they're made with, it says that they're plant-based and they're breaded. I think hers says something about oats, quinoa, oats, and millet.
Yeah.
Millet and wholesome grains, which, did your camera autofocus?
Probably not.
On hers, on the original, you can literally see the oats.
If you put it like this, I'll be able to zoom in. Yeah, you could see the little pieces of oats in the regular one, but
it's not a turn off though. Like
no,
it's
pretty
looks
good.
Normal, like food. It literally has a chicken looking texture, just like holding it. It's really, really crispy.
This one you can't see. This one you can't see.
Yeah, this one looks like, I would have thought it was
That's
the
Nashville. Yeah, this looks like they're baked.
No, baked and then we broiled. But for everybody else, I watched some reviews before I got it, and everybody else baked it just fine. Mm-hmm. So I don't know if it's our oven we had.
Yeah, technical difficulties with the oven. Broiling
works better than baking for us, so yeah.
And
they
then
came out super crispy.
We got a side of fries.
Yeah, just some random fries.
And then for our, what you call these again? Condiments. We have ketchup. We have some ranch, and we have some buffalo.
We got that gluten-free buffalo more sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it.
Yeah.
Have some ketchup, please. So we're gonna see how this is. We've done a not a plant-based diet. That's totally not our thing. I don't think we could ever do that.
Mm-mm.
We love seafood too much. We spent way too much time around seafood.
So I'm gonna pour this on mine.
But we've done a healthy diet like this before. So we've tried Beyond Meat, their version of
we did tacos with them.
Yeah. Didn't like it too much. But we did like cauliflower and stuff. We ain't got no ketchup, honey.
Sure, but the barbecue sauce. So let me try. I'm gonna try the
Wait,
the Nashville.
Split it first.
Oh.
The texture. Okay, that looks like
like meat. Is this chicken?
They got that texture on point.
Yeah, it looks just like chicken.
I'll do mine since hers has. Oh my god!
It looks like chicken. For real?
Are you sure it's your camera gonna get all this?
Yeah. Let me see.
Oh my god, y'all!
I'm gonna zoom in, y'all, so y'all could really see what you're talking about. Look at that.
You want me to do the other one too? The oat?
Yeah.
It looks the same. And I'll split
Bring your hand down some. Okay.
I'll split one on the camera. We'll just clean.
Bring your hands down. Down. Okay.
You can see it good?
Uh-huh. It looks just like a chicken nugget.
Wow.
That's insane.
Wow. creeped out. I'm excited though, but I'm so creeped.
That is creepy.
Yo.
Y'all don't mind me moving the camera around because my camera don't focus that far.
Oh, our buffalo sauce is Moore's, y'all.
Oh, I
We
ain't bring no
had,
napkins.
I could grab it. We had some Chick-fil-A chicken tenders with their buffalo sauce and bomb. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
No.
It tastes like those frozen nuggets.
Yeah, that's what they said it's supposed to be. A lot of people like it on their salads or for their kids. Which one did you do? You did the...
This one.
I'm gonna do it without. Oh my god, man.
When you put the buffalo sauce on it, it tastes exactly like the Wendy's nuggets that we be buying.
It's a little more textured.
Yeah. It's not too bad. I haven't tried the other one yet.
That is creepy.
Mm-hmm.
The seasoning. The seasoning is pretty good.
I'm just hungry. Tastes pretty good. I like it.
The seasoning,
I don't think I could eat all of it though.
just wow. I want to taste the oat.
Wait for me.
The texture is not sappy or soggy or
It's
like,
crispy.
it's not an oatmeal gooey. It's not exactly flaky, but there's definitely like it has the texture of chicken. Okay.
I taste the oats.
This one's pretty good too, but I do taste the oat.
The oat flavor in the regular one is very strong. Look at this. It is just like freaking meat.
They season this correctly. You can literally see the pepper on it. Like I'm sure.
It's insane that they replicated this in a plant base. This is, I don't even know. It tastes good.
Now sauce wise, I know we don't have the healthiest sauce. It's store bought, whatever. But at least we took the initiative to try that. Eventually we can learn how to DIY like ketchup and stuff like that. That way it's like for real healthy. Cause they're kind of like,
Yeah, not too healthy, but
yeah. But it's good.
the thought counts.
Mhm.
Y'all know me on my fries, ranch and fries.
I'm shook, y'all.
It's filling also. I think one pack is good enough for 2 people. For one meal.
The serving is 3 tenders. So we technically got 2 servings because we're trying the 2 flavors.
But if it's one flavor, it's 3.
And it's crazy that this is filling, but if you think about it, it is like, it's more whole grain and stuff versus...
I'm almost full already. And all I had was 2.
My favorite is this one.
Mm-hmm. Me too.
The Nashville hot. It's just seasoned the right way. It's so much more crispier. It has that extra battering on it.
It's not hot though. They say Nashville hot, it's not hot.
Far from hot.
Yeah. But it's seasoned, you could taste the seasoning in it. Now it's hard to pinpoint the seasonings. I don't know, because of the batter, it's very hard to pinpoint it.
Dairy free, kosher free, meat free. I want to say kosher free, kosher.
It's kosher.
So the recipe on the back, they said that they would make a Nashville hot chicken sandwich. Shade to Popeyes.
And you could also, I would try this in my salad too. If you want to do a healthy salad, instead of using, even though chicken breast still is somewhat of a healthy compared to other meats and stuff. But if you want to do like a plant-based salad.
And it has a really long shelf life. It doesn't expire until next year.
The end of next year. Excuse me, because it's all plant.
Made in Canada. Y'all know Canada don't play with the ingredients.
Food, yeah. This is really good.
Yeah, she's eating out. Another one too. This one's not really my favorite, but it's not
still
bad.
good.
Yeah. But I could do without. I don't think I would crave that.
And I think to be sure that, especially somebody don't like spices, even though it's not spicy to us, because we're used to spices, spicy food, maybe the regular one would be fine for them.
Yeah. They also had a lime flavor there, but
I probably is
I
good.
didn't get it, yeah. It's like key lime chicken tender or something like that.
Yeah, that's probably
Not
good.
sure. But they had burgers there, they had meatballs, they had all kind of stuff.
Burger is usually beans.
They had grilled chicken.
Which you probably gotta put on the in the oven instead of the grill.
But it crisp up with the lines. The same, like.
Make it look like it came on the grill.
That's probably really, really good broiled.
I personally feel if you do a diet like this, I think you will eat less because it's
so
very
full.
heavy.
Yeah, I'm full already, and
Yeah.
I had my 3. So
Oh, me too. I'm full.
I might actually save this for later, to be honest.
So I would say 3 will fill you up.
Especially if you're doing fries or you do the sandwich with the bread and all that,
Yeah.
you're gonna be good. Our fries look a little burnt, y'all, because
We just boiled it.
Put it in
We
the
were ready
bowl.
to eat. You were taking so long.
it was so greasy.
Yeah. These are the restaurant fries. I mean, the easier way would be to fry, but we didn't want to do. We didn't want to do all of that. But
We gotta get an air fryer.
yeah, that would be much healthier. Plus, this comes with a lot of grease already. The fries. Even this has some grease in it too. The nuggets.
Oh, they have nuggets too. These are the tenders, but they
Oh,
have
they're
nuggets
tenders.
too. And they have chicken fingers. They
That's
got
just
everything.
too much.
Every single thing you can think of.
I would love to try the burger.
Okay. After that meat that I tried, I'm terrified of trying the bean
The burger?
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be made out of beans again.
Probably is. That's the only way they make it. She don't like the bean burger. I made one before and she didn't like it.
But this literally mimics chicken texture and flavor. That's why I like it.
I'm just gonna eat all the rest of my fries because I can't do any more of this.
Me too.
Not because it's not good, it's just I'm full. So
I feel like I just ate a whole chicken sandwich.
I feel like I ate a whole meal. Like the fries, the drink, and a 6-piece. Let me know in the comments if you ever tried any one of these brands, or if you have ever tried the plant-based, any plant-based meat, and which one was it?
The next one we might try is Morning Star, but this was the same price as Morning Star, and this one was BOGO, so I said why not just try the 2 flavors for the same price as one.
Let me know if you guys gonna try it, and what it tastes like to you guys. If it's different from what we experienced.
But that's a must-have. At least the Nashville Hots.
Yeah, at least that one. So thank you guys for joining us today for lunch as usual. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always,
Keep cooking, chefs.
she got it, y'all. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.